Hi students, like I said above, today we're going to continue to prepare for our final StoryCorps project where you'll interview someone in your household. Um, Today we're going to listen to two more people just tell their stories. These are less of interviews and more just people telling stories about themselves or someone else. And I really want us thinking, right? President Obama said you have that sacred story. What are these sacred stories? Whose sacred story in your house do you want to tell through your interview? One thing I want you to think about today is there's a lot of um, information being shared in these stories, but think about what type of questions you would ask to get at these stories. You cannot ask yes or no questions, right? You can't say like, do you like the house you live in? Yes. No, they need to be much more complex than that. What brings you joy in this space? You don't want something where they can just say yes or no. So be thinking about the questions you would want to ask as you're listening to these stories. The end of class, excuse me, is a little bit different. So there's no Edulastic mastery check. Instead, you're going to start creating your interview document or creating the questions you're going to interview, or the questions you're going to ask the person you're interviewing, excuse me. So once you get to the end of today's module, make sure to watch this video. It will tell you where that document is and what your mastery check is for today. And then next week, we'll prep some more for the interview and you'll do the interview. And that's your final project. All right. Thanks, guys.